Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that'll redefine your tech game.
In the heart of every city, the challenge of managing food waste looms large. But what if we could turn this challenge into an opportunity for change? Introducing Renev. Redefine food waste, transform urban living. Renev isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a revolutionary approach to sustainability designed to make a difference in how we live and how we consume. Renev uses state-of-the-art composting technology to transform your food waste into nutrient-rich compost in a matter of hours. Whether you live in a high-rise apartment or a cozy townhouse, Renevivi seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle, making sustainable living effortless. With Renevivi, you're not just reducing food waste, you're reshaping the way we think about consumption and waste management in our cities. Grooming our beloved pets is an essential part of caring for them. But let's face it, drying them off after a bath can be a real challenge. Introducing the AIYME Smart High-Speed Pet Dryer, the solution that's about to make pet grooming easier than ever before. This is the AIYME Smart High-Speed Pet Dryer, designed to revolutionize the way you groom your furry friends. It's not just a dryer, it's a grooming tool that's smart, efficient, and gentle on your pet's coat. The AIYME Smart High-Speed Pet Dryer uses high-velocity air to quickly and effectively dry your pet's fur, while also reducing the risk of overheating or discomfort. With the AIYME Smart High-Speed Pet Dryer, grooming your pet has never been easier or more enjoyable. In today's fast-paced world, our backpacks are our lifelines, carrying everything we need to tackle the day. But what if your backpack could do more than just hold your belongings? Introducing the Lancer 300, the backpack that's about to change the game. More than just a backpack, the Lancer 300 features a modular design that adapts to your needs, whether you're commuting to work, hiking in the wilderness, or traveling the world. Whether you're a city dweller, an outdoor enthusiast, or a frequent traveler, the Lancer 300 is the ultimate backpack companion. With its innovative design and unmatched versatility, the Lancer 300 is set to revolutionize the way we carry our belongings. In a world where security is paramount, having eyes on your home should be simple and stress-free. But all too often, it's anything but. Introducing the WiseCam V4, the next evolution in home security. More than just a camera, the WiseCam V4 is a complete home security solution designed to give you peace of mind wherever you are. With its crystal-clear 1080p HD video quality and enhanced night vision, the WiseCam V4 captures every detail day or night. Plus, with its intuitive app, you can easily view live streams, set up motion detection alerts, and even talk to visitors using two-way audio. Whether you're keeping an eye on your family, monitoring your pets, or safeguarding your valuables, the WiseCam V4 is always there when you need it. With its advanced features and affordable price point, the WiseCam V4 sets a new standard for home security. When adventure calls, you need a bike that can keep up with your wildest dreams. Introducing the HeyBike Hero, the ultimate carbon fiber electric all-terrain bike. More than just a bike, the HeyBike Hero is your ticket to exploring the great outdoors like never before. With its all-terrain tires and rugged suspension system, the HeyBike Hero can tackle any trail with ease. And thanks to its powerful electric motor, you can conquer even the steepest hills without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking for the next adrenaline rush or a nature lover seeking solace in the great outdoors, the HeyBike Hero is the perfect companion for your adventures. With its smart display and ergonomic design, the HeyBike Hero puts you in control of your ride, allowing you to focus on what matters most, the journey ahead. From rocky mountain trails to sandy beaches, the HeyBike Hero is ready to take you wherever your heart desires. The HeyBike Hero is equipped with advanced safety features, including hydraulic disc brakes and LED headlights, to ensure a smooth and secure ride every time. As the temperatures drop outside, staying warm and cozy indoors becomes a top priority. But what if you could bring the warmth with you wherever you go? Introducing the Cozy Pod Portable Plug-in Heater by Venti, the solution to chilly rooms and cold winter nights. The Cozy Pod is not just any heater. It's a portable powerhouse designed to provide instant warmth wherever you need it. With its adjustable thermostat and fan speed settings, you can customize the temperature to suit your preferences, ensuring maximum comfort year-round. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, the Cozy Pod Portable Plug-in Heater is the perfect companion for staying warm and comfortable. The Cozy Pod features built-in safety features such as overheat protection and tip-over shutoff, giving you peace of mind while you stay warm. In a world where the wonders of the universe seem just out of reach, one company is redefining stargazing as we know it. Introducing the Celestron Origin Intelligent Home Observatory, a groundbreaking fusion of cutting-edge technology and the timeless fascination of the cosmos. With its intuitive interface and seamless connectivity, the Origin Observatory brings the universe directly to your fingertips. Equipped with state-of-the-art optics and a powerful camera system, every detail of the celestial wonders is captured with breathtaking clarity. From the comfort of your own home, embark on a journey through the cosmos, exploring distant galaxies, observing planetary alignments, and witnessing the wonders of the universe unfold in real time. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a curious beginner, the Origin Observatory makes stargazing accessible to all, inspiring wonder, fostering curiosity, and bringing people together in a shared passion for discovery. In today's fast-paced world, finding time for fitness can be a challenge. But what if you could transform your home into a personal gym, anytime, anywhere? Introducing PurePlank, the innovative fitness solution that's taking the world by storm. With its simple yet effective design, PurePlank offers a full-body workout that targets every muscle group, from core to arms to legs. Easy to set up and use, PurePlank is perfect for fitness enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to jumpstart your journey or a seasoned athlete seeking new challenges, the versatility of PurePlank is incredible. I can do everything from cardio to strength training to yoga, all on one platform. With PurePlank, fitness becomes more than just a routine. It becomes a lifestyle. Say goodbye to crowded gyms and hello to the convenience of working out at home. Introducing the new Ludella, a revolution in candlelight technology. With its innovative design and cutting-edge features, Ludella brings candlelight into the 21st century. No more worrying about matches or messy wax. Ludella ignites with just the touch of a button, providing a hassle-free candlelight experience. Whether you're creating ambiance for a special occasion or simply unwinding after a long day, Ludella sets the perfect mood every time. Illuminate your life with the new Ludella, lighting the way to a brighter tomorrow.